Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to enable subscription refunds and manage charges in Apple TV Plus app. If you're getting charged unexpectedly or want a refund, here's how to handle it. First, open the settings app on your iPhone. Then tap your Apple ID name at the top and then choose subscriptions. Next, tap your Apple ID, then find Apple TV in the list and tap it. If you have subscriptions, then find Apple TV in the list and tap it. Here you can see your billing date and amount. Switch to another plan, monthly or yearly, or tap cancel subscription to stop future charges. To request refund, open Safari and then search report a problem.apple.com, and then over here what you can do is sign in with your Apple ID. You'll have to sign in with your Apple ID and then what you're gonna do is choose Apple Plus from your purchases, then tap request a fund, then pick a reason like accidental purchase or did not mean to subscribe. Submit the request. Apple will review and email you about the status. Safety tip: only manage subscriptions through settings or Apple official websites. Never forget form links in the emails or text, since the scammers fake refund pages. Quick fix: if you don't see Apple TV Plus under subscriptions, make sure you are signed in with correct Apple ID. Sometimes family sharing or multiple IDs hide subscriptions. Subscribe for more quick fixes.